Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you the usage of column function. Okay, so what I am going to do is I have a few cells highlighted here. I am going to apply the column function on that and see whether how it works. Okay, so what is column function? So I will explain to you. Just I put a column. Once I press column, you can see that returns the column number of a reference. That means if you give a reference array or a cell or set of array, it will return the column number. Okay, what is the column number of that? Okay, so I just without the reference, I put our reference is optional, so I just leave it. The reference I put enter. You can see it's 1. Okay, so what is 1 here? Okay, is the first column A, right? The column A. So this is 1. Okay, then which column? Okay, is considered as column A. Why? Because you didn't specify the reference. That means it will take the cell A4. Okay, what is the column of cell A4? Okay, the current cell, okay, which is 1. Okay, similarly C4. Now I didn't specify what is the column. I didn't give what cell or any reference. I just press OK. Is 3. So it takes the cell C4 and gives the column number. Okay, so this is 1 2 3. Okay, C4 is column number is 3. Okay, what is this cell? Column of enter. Now it is 4, which is 1 2 3 4. The cell is D5. Okay, so column number is 4, fourth column. Okay, whenever you didn't specify the reference or the cell, it will act on the current cell or the where you put the formula. Okay, so that is the column function. Okay, similarly for this one, this is a cell G4. Okay, G4, what I am going to do, I am not going to get the value here, I am going to get the value here. Let's see, column of, now I am going to get the value of this column number of this G4. So I am referring the cell from some other cell. Okay, so I am giving the value G4. It says 7. Why it is 7? Because the column number of 7, column number of G4. Okay, column number of G4 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, seventh column. Okay, similarly for column of H5. Okay, H5, column of H5, enter. I got 8. Why it is 8? Because G is 7, H is 8, 8th column. Okay, similarly I want to know the column of I6. Okay, column of I6. Okay, so enter. Now I got 9. Why 9? 7 8 9, ninth column. Okay, so this way you can, from any cell you get any other cell's column number. Okay, so why do we want the column numbers? Because when you calculate some array or functions, that time you want to know which column you are in. Okay, in such cases you may want to use the column number, okay, to calculate, or you also use some lookup values you want to do using the column numbers. You may use it in index and the other thing, match functions together with the column numbers and row numbers. Okay, and okay, now what you are going to do is that we are going to find out what is the array's column number. Okay, so I just put a column of okay, the full set array G8 to I10. Close the bracket, enter. I got 7. Okay, why it is 7? So the first cell's column number, or first column, okay, in the array, okay, which is nothing but a 7. You can see here G7 is the first, G8 is the first cell. Okay, what is the column of G8? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, seventh column. Okay, so that's why it is telling it is 7. Okay, what happens when you give a multiple selection column of, for example, I select a few cells here as well as few cells here, two sets, two references. It says you have entered too many arguments for this function. That means you cannot have multiple reference. Okay, you can always have only one reference. That means only one set of array, you cannot split. Okay, so now finally I want to do a small exercise for the usage. I will show you some interesting example here. I have this row here, second row. For I want to color every odd column in orange color. How can I do that? Okay, that's my sample here. So I want this is in orange color, C is in orange color, so every alternative columns in orange color. How can I do that? Okay, for that I am going to use the column function. Okay, so first I will select the row, then I will go to home, then conditional formatting. In the conditional formatting I create a rule. In the rule I will go use a formula to determine which cells to format. Okay, I am using a formula, so I put equal to, I want to know the column number first of each cell, so I get a column number. Okay, if I know the column, if this column is odd function I am using. If it is odd, then I want to color it. Is odd, column number, format, go to fill, which is orange color. Okay, or this orange. Okay, okay, then press OK. You can see each odd column is orange color. It will go on and on. You can see here for the full set of second row. Okay, so this is very interesting for the function column. Okay, this function is not columns, it is column. Okay, so it is just column, is a singular. Okay, it will return exactly what column the cell is. Okay, and I hope this example is useful to you, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and if you leave your comments and suggestions, it will be very helpful to me to improve my videos. And also please give a like, and God bless you.